So I'm going to quickly show you guys how I roll an option on the Interactive Brokers platform, and I'm going to hopefully do this for a net credit. So you can see here that I've got the option chain for Riot open, and I currently have a 650 put, which I could buy back today for $15. So I sold it for about $20 so I could sell or buy to close this option for a $5 credit. Now, I actually want to get assigned Riot shares because I want to bring down my cost basis. So I'm very happy to take Riot or 100 shares of Riot at $6.50. And if you look at the top left-hand corner, Riot is hovering around the 689. So it's Wednesday today. This option expires on June the 3rd, which is a couple of days away. And I've got a few options here. So I can either uh, let this play out and see if I get assigned the shares. If I don't get assigned the shares, I can then write another put on Monday morning and look again at the 650. But what I'm going to do, just to show you guys, I'm going to roll this option. So I am in the option chain, as you guys know. So we can see here, I'm going to buy back the 650 June 3rd option by about $16, $17, as you can see there. And then what I need to do is pick my new sell strike. So I'm looking at the put side on the right hand side, and if I was to sell the 650 expiring June 10th, so 9 days away, you can see I can get filled anywhere between the midpoint of 23 or the ask if I want to get filled straight away at 21. The other option, what I could do is I could go down in strike. So I could protect myself even more if Riot does start going down and look at the $6 strike. So you can see here, I can pick up a net credit of between $7 and $9 and roll down my strike by 50 cents, right? So that to me is actually a good play. However, I don't mind $6, 650 with a cost basis of, in the 15, 16s isn't really going to make that much difference to me. So I'm quite comfortable owning shares at 650. So I'm actually going to roll this for another week at 650, looking to get between, $22 to $25. So if I go to roll option, and I'm just gonna try get filled at 22 cents. So you can see here I am buying back the June 3rd and selling the June 10th put for $22, and I should get filled here. And as you see, I have got filled on this option. I'll take a screenshot of that for the thumbnail, and that's all it is to it. I've just made another $22. And what I'm going to do with this $22 is I'm probably going to buy $22 worth of Fubo shares, Fubo shares rather. That's probably the right way to say it. To lower down my cost basis, I've got 107 shares of Fubo. Fubo is trading at about $3.20, so I'm going to, pick up around six point something shares again to increase my ownership of Fubo. Then I can start selling covered calls at 200 shares as opposed to 100 shares, to then lower my cost basis and increase my ownership. So this is the strategy that I teach. So make sure you like and subscribe if you like this video. And this is basically what I do. I sell options, I pick up the premium, and then I go reinvest those into stocks that I want to own to get up to 100 shares to start selling covered calls. So there's a few videos on the screen now, so check those ones out, and I should see you guys in the next video.